This is Tina. Where you from, Tina?
Queen. Hello guys. We are here at French Quarter Fest. It's a nice sunny day, a Friday, less crowded. So come join us with this beautiful place here in New Orleans. In this video, we decided to pretend that we are tourists in our own little New Orleans. And with the French Quarter Fest, it's a day to enjoy the city, lots of music, people dancing, fun. The parks were full of people, the streets were full of people, and of course all kinds of different food that you will most likely enjoy while you are here in the French Quarter Fest. And it is actually, I believe it's 4 days long, Thursday to Sunday, and it usually occur on the second week of April. And today is Friday. It was so pretty and nice, like I said. So come along and just enjoy this festival with us. And there's no particular order. We're just walking around, videoing some clips for y'all to see what French Quarter Fest looks like here in New Orleans. And best of all is, it is free. And there are several stages scattered all over the riverfront, the quarter, the French market, several stages where all these different artists play for people to enjoy. This guy, I'm impressed. Look at him. He's really the one-man band, as they call it. Fun, a lot of stages, beautiful music, friendly people, good food. You all have to come.
Baby, I've got so much love to give. I want to give it all to you now.
And there is no shortage of bathrooms. Figure out what to eat. So many choices. Like the tent over there. สดปูแดดบ่Is it any good? Almost like crawfish Monica. Yeah. You like that? No. I guess I'm not a quiche person, but it tastes okay. No trip in New Orleans is ever complete without beignet and cafe au lait. I guess we're worn out. Old folks can't hang. It's time to go. Yeah? What you think? He said no. If you like this video, please like, subscribe. Until next time.
Send money.